What's good, y'all? This is your boy B Sway. This is ALB Sway. We are back for another video. First, I want to give a shout out to my boy Jay Green. He hooked me up with this another YouTube shirt. You know what I'm saying? I gotta brand myself. You feel me? Cause I know y'all see this one a lot. So I was like, hey man, I need another YouTube shirt. So hook me up with this one. I'm gonna give y'all his Instagram, all that good stuff. I got my boy Smitty behind the camera. Also gonna be getting the shirt done from him. But I told him, you know what I'm saying, I'm not done with him. I'm gonna keep coming to him with these YouTube shirts, with these YouTube idea shirts, you feel me? This is the first one, this is the second one. Like I said, man, you gotta burn yourself these days. So, yeah, other than that, we about to head to this car meet, see how we get there. Oh, yeah. I got my boys from the east side, you feel me? Go ahead and get that Instagram.
Yeah, man, King Easy, 3.
What about you, my brother?
Red.
You feel me? I got my other boy. Hey, it was funny. I beat him up in basketball, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a story about that.
Y'all know it's your boy Smitty, man. Hey, go subscribe to the Smitty gang. Hey, but before you do that, go subscribe to my boy B Sway.
Oh yeah,
man.
Oh yeah.
Hey, hit that Smitty gang.
I got Eminem right here, dog. Oh, damn, bro. Why you ain't tell me you gonna do that? Man, what we got going on over here? Bro, what was that, bro? What was that, bro?
Burn out.
That was a burn out.
Baby.
Hey, brother Sikkwhips, dog. That sounded good to you, dog?
Man, he gon' work some shit up on water.
Hey, yeah, I want to see some shit too. I'm gonna tell him to redo it for the channel.
Hey, do it in the back.
Hey, bro, you gotta redo it. YouTube is over here now. You gotta redo it. The YouTube is over here now, dog.
Hey, do it in the back. You heard me? Do it in the back.
You gotta redo that. Go bust it in the back though. Man, hey, bro, he said he about to do it in the back real quick. Me and bro right here, we about to get that footage for y'all, man. I swear we going up. But he gotta come to the back though. Boy, I should have worn my fucking shoes, bro. Are you talking about this back, Sikkwhips? All right, we're gonna head that back. Stay sliding. I gotta get him. What's going on, bro? Hey, man, my brother just did that. I told y'all he come and show out every single time, man.
To you, man.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. I got Super Crib. Come on, Super Crib.
big baby?
Oh yeah, we about to hit it real quick.
Scooby-Doo, wop, wop. They better not hit me. Troy, I swear to God, you better not hit me, bitch. Oh, my sister. Oh, shit. Oh, damn. Oh, fuck.
They coming. They're gonna like all I have. I'd rather go that way because they coming in this way. Yo. Okay, man. Hey, man, so the cops pulled up, bro. So, bro, I hopped in this hoe. I hopped in bro car, dog. I hopped in bro car, right? And we just fucking took off, man. We took off, bro. The cops pulled in, bro. Umber police do not fuck around, but guys. Yeah, they do not mess around, bro. But we at the gas station right now with everybody. Everybody got to locate with each other, so we trying to see where everybody at. Man, we still out here with the boys, with the gang. You feel me? My boy Dirty Cat.
You going somewhere?
Boy, you dropped your phone. I heard that.
I only got a phone, can't see mine.
Oh, this motherfucker live. Hey, you better swing this motherfucker today. Hey, D. Hey, he said 45 in red line. Yeah, that's what's Sick on right now. What's up, Super Crip? I named you that because I saw your car. I was like, that's Super Crip now. Oh, also shout out to Lane Hogs. You know what I'm saying? Huh? Got my brother in here with the cut with me too.
Double mix you, man.
Oh yeah.
Drip check.
And he say, I gotta tell y'all a story about that man later on.
Hey, don't listen to him.
I got my brother Doug meet you car. Last time y'all seen him, he had no rims on, he had no underglow. He put the rims and the underglow on it too. You know what I'm saying? My brother looking real fly. We got some more of these cars real quick. You keeping up, bro?
Yeah, baby, I'm trying to keep up as much as I can, you feel me? They everywhere tonight.
Oh yeah.
Straight up.
We keeping up though, we going live. Got some Mustangs over here. Yes, sir. You did a burnout, bro? You ain't want to do it on my channel. That's some bullshit. That's some bullshit. How you recorded though?
Yeah, I thought you were
Goddamn. Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, my brother's wide body scat pack. That hoe dirty, but young nigga doing it too. Young dude. Come on, man, give me some rev, man. Give me some fucking rev. Hey. Hey, bro. How fast do these really go? Man, we had to pull up at another gas station. We're going to the next location, y'all. I do have my brother out here, Sikkwhips, the Gap Cat, fastest challenger. You feel me? Let me go see my bro in the store real quick. You see everybody pulling up though. And we all going live though with it. Man. Hey brother, you that famous YouTuber, I bet.
Hey man, what's happening, man? It's your boy Beastway 2.0 in the building, man. Listen, man, if you guys have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, y'all go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, man.
Oh yeah.
Also, your boy Sikkwhips too, man. Y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel.
Yes, indeed.
Hey man, third location. Both of them do whatever they want to do. I don't care.
Oh yeah. Show the back of that shirt real quick.
Oh yeah.
Man, y'all see the back of that shirt, bro. We out. We really out here tonight.
Hey,
Like I said, this is my brother Cole right here, the fastest Hellcat in Houston, Texas. They don't want to hear that though. They don't like that and they don't want to hear it. Man, make sure y'all follow my brother on all social medias.
This was alright though.
Oh yeah, it was. My brother Will. Y'all here. Big bro, punch the gas real quick, big bro.
We gotta get some gas?
No, I said punch the gas real quick. Get the gas real quick, big bro. Oh yeah. Gap Cat. We out though. All right, y'all, we at IKEA. I don't know if we dipping out or not, but this is also one of the Lex spots. Again, I do got my brother Whip right here. Rev it real quick. Rev it real quick. One time. He ain't gonna get mad, goddammit.
No, because
Gotta do that, gotta do it again, gotta do it again. And that's exactly how you do that shit. Welcome to Houston, Texas, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh. Oh. Playing with the devil. All right. All right.